Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas. So yes, I landed yesterday, so it's my first day back in Jamaica now. You guys, you know the first stop has to be the first stop has to be a patty, right? Yeah, patty, the first stop. So Outlaw just went and got some patty, some juice. I need to drop. Yeah, so what you saying to the people?
Man, I'm prayer. Give thanks to that.
But you guys, you know, first thing I need my patty. You know this is my thing. Yeah.
And she'll get me involved in a party something if I'm already gone and don't worry.
Yep, back where I belong with my patty. Your crackers. I like to eat these guys, these crackers. So people, we just come out of Big Ben. We did some shopping in there. We got some all the usual groceries, turkey neck, mixed chicken parts, all the usual blah 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 stuff to carry us for the week. And I picked up 5 packets of curry powder. You know the better pack, the small ones like this big. I picked up 5 of them. We went to the cashier, and what did the cashier say?
One person only allowed to 3 of those little things.
3 of the small curry powders per person. I was so shocked. I've never heard that before. So people, curry powder out here is rationed. When you go in the supermarket, they only sell you 3 small ones for 1 customer. Can you believe that?
Never know to Jamaica that go back to that thing there.
Curry powder ration.
Curry powder, 1 person only can get 3 little pack.
I think I have to go into the market and buy the Indian curry. That's the one I like anyway, the Indian curry.
For that.
Go in the market, you can get the big one for like $600 a pack or whatever.
So in the market right now, certain things better than going into the supermarket.
The supermarket is rationing curry powder. 3 small ones per customer. I was so shocked.
Not a good look. Not a good look.
But yeah, we're in Ocho. Let me show you. We're in Ocho. It's busy. They're putting up something here. Lots going on.
Police and soldiers.
Police and a lot of police out. A lot of police out. Yeah. A lot of police. See them police and soldiers. But there's police all over Ocho today.
Yeah, they have an operation.
It's Saturday today. Yeah. At the what's this total?
Total gas station.
A lot of soldiers out today. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're just patrolling and doing their, you know. Yeah, a lot of soldiers. But there's just a lot of police in general. Soldiers in there.
Where is this soldiers now watching today?
Yeah, man.
Pulling over there now.
Yeah, something going on over there.
Yeah,
something going on over there.
Put together, I don't know.
Yeah.
They're doing something.
But there's just a lot of police presence.
Yes.
A lot of police around the place. One thing I've noticed since I've been away for the 2 weeks, coming back, is all the Christmas stuff. Everywhere you go, there's Christmas. I know Christmas is soon, but Christmas music and Christmas decoration and pepper lights and all these things. Yeah, so I've noticed that quite a lot.
Yeah, but only people who can afford it do that because the light bill come after that something. When JPS attack you after you do that for the Christmas.
Christmas lights.
Master God go with you.
Yeah.
Because me not go.
Yeah. A couple more stops to make. I've just done Big Ben. Gonna quickly go into Progressive. Guys, I only go into Progressive for certain things, and I know I put a video out about money saving tips, go to the wholesale and stuff, which we just went to. But Progressive, they do speciality things, so sometimes I just go in for 1 and 2 little things. I don't do
that much.
You don't do your full supermarket, your full shop in Progressive. No, if you can, it's all good, but you can get the same things that you get in Progressive in other supermarkets for a lot cheaper.
Yeah, man.
But you know, sometimes because they do Waitrose stuff in there, Waitrose supermarkets, they do, you know, speciality things you can get. So I'm going in there, and then we're going to the market back of the market. Somebody said I shouldn't say market back. Somebody told me it's not the market back, it's the back of the market.
Yeah, in our way, but always say it at the same way. But some people want to hear it, like, put it as up there.
So I'm going
close to English.
So, well, maybe. AKA market back. To go get some fresh produce. Yeah. Guys. I'm in Progressive and I always come in. I came in for saltfish because they do nice looking saltfish. But this is what I love. This is what I'm having for dinner today. Guys, the red herring. You don't often see it like this. Is the only place that does it like this. No, this is how you usually get it, yeah? And you know you have to singe it on the stove and it smells like the whole house to make the skin come off easier. But They sell it like this. It's the only place I know sells it like this. So I'm gonna get some of these. I'm gonna cook this with some ackee and some fish. We're gonna get some. We're gonna get some of these and cook it with ackee. One of my favorites. One of my favorites.
Get the pot, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get one of these, guys. Red herring. Mixed with the ackee. One of the baddest. One of the baddest. We'll show you later. We'll show you later anyway. Alright, people. We're at the back of the market. Market back. The outlaw there. I don't know what is. Oh, pear. That's his favorite. That is his favorite thing. Pear. But you see him. He's not gonna pass it and not buy. You know. Watch him. Watch him. He will eat this stuff every day. Every day. Watch him. Watch him. Every day we'll eat this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a thing. You know what I'm a thing?
I know. I
Around him, I
know. So you know, guys, this is Outlaw's. This is Outlaw's full take, so to speak. Yeah. So he likes doing all this, going to the market and picking up the stuff. Sometimes I go with him, but a lot of the time I just stay in the car under the AC and then make him go and do what he has to do. I don't know what he's buying there. Maybe some cabbage and maybe some onion and stuff. This is Mr. Outlaw's little, thing. I look like he got some yam. Liam look like he bought some yam. Watch him, he's got the list in his hand. I give him the list. I write the list and I give him the list. And he goes up there with the list. Watch him. I don't know what music he's listening to because I can't hear it. Only in Jamaica, you know. Only in Jamaica. Watch him. Oh, Barry Simon. Is Barry Simon playing? Little carrot. Yes, guys, you know it's Christmas is coming. You know Christmas is coming when you see the Junkanoo masquerade them. See them, see them. Let's see. Yes, guys, they're out again. Time's come quick, innit?
See it on there. Satan is on the borderline of St. and St. Mary.
What's that? Oh, yes, again?
Satan is on the borderline of St. and St. Mary. Right on the borderline, Satan. So we just pass him out there a while ago.
We are White River. Where? Yes, you know it's Christmas time. You know it's Christmas time when you see all that going on.
Yes, man. You just know so that's in the year. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is in the year.
That's it.
Yeah. You see that, you know, I go on. Put yourself together. Yeah, man.
Christmas has just crept up on it. I feel like Christmas has just crept up on me though, you know.
I put on my seatbelt, just coming on nobody. Beat me up, you know.
You don't need that. Don't you feel like Christmas just crept up?
This is Christmas holidays work.
It's in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah.
We're looking at the calendar, but wait, Christmas is in exactly 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, one thing I know about this Christmas though is about Santa. Let them mash him up wicked.
Well, hear what, yeah? On Instagram, the parents, oh Lord, it's quite bad, but parents have been saying to the kids that Santa died from COVID.
Good move. Good
There's
move.
no Santa. Santa caught COVID, and even if he died from COVID or he's sick, Santa's got COVID and he can't deliver no presents because you know the parents are finding it hard right now.
And that's a good one. That's a good one. Santa don't.
That made me laugh. That made me laugh.
Yeah, man. Santa, that's a good one.
Yeah, Santa's got COVID.
Yeah, children. Yeah, because the littlest children right now know what is going.
It's true.
Yeah, once you have understanding, you know what is going because parents talk about this. Yes, so we have that good.
I know Christmas is a bit sticky. But we're not really fussy for Christmas. I'm really not fussy for Christmas. Do you understand? I don't like in terms of buying all this food and
I look a bit something. But I like when I look a bit smaller. No, I know what is Christmas, so I'm not really fancy about that.
Well, the thing is, I understand the reason for it. You understand? And I understand.
That's a different thing. That. But I leverage our respect.
But the whole heap overspending and going out of your way and spending what you don't have.
No.
It's too much.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's too much.
Man. Right now, people think all different type of ways, you know.
Yeah.
Make the thing work. Yeah, and they hype something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody now buy no pepper that this year. Because they're afraid of GPS.
All other things as well.
And whole promote things out where people used to do. Cut off.
Yeah.
Because man them get involved so.
But Christmas is definitely in the air, man. On the road, on the streets. Yeah, you know, so Christmas is close by. Definitely.
Yeah, man. So that's a go on in the people. Right, so we don't know them something I go.
So here's my dinner for today. Yam, banana. This is the ackee mixed with the red herring that we bought earlier. Yeah. One of my favorite things to eat. Ackee and red herring. So I'm gonna enjoy this right now. Yes, people.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about